This is a core machine. It has two sides to it. And if you ever forget what it does, there's a little plaque here that will explain it and give you stick figure examples. Because this machine has two sides, there are two different weight adjustments that you'll need to worry about. So the first side is going to be this oblique twist, and you can adjust the weight here. I always recommend starting at a lower weight, giving it a try, and then if it's not difficult enough, increase it until you feel like you're getting a good workout. For this one specifically, you're going to stand beside the machine, grab the handle just underneath your shoulder height, and then twist outward. So you're getting that side oblique. You can also twist the other direction here, or you can completely change directions. The other side of the machine is going to be a standing crunch or an upright crunch. And again, don't forget to adjust here, starting low and then increasing more. Anything that's yellow is adjustable, which brings me to the seat. You're gonna wanna bring it to a comfortable height for your legs. Go ahead and lean on that seat, strap yourself in. I always say it's like a roller coaster, and then crunch forward, really using the core to pull yourself forward. It doesn't have to be a big dramatic movement.